Let's learn a fighter jet step by step. First of all, take a sheet of your favorite color, fold it into two halves, press it well, fold leaving approximately 1 centimeter, press it, again repeat the same step. Now fold upon creases or marks at your paper. Now you have to make a diamond type shape by folding. Make sure to press it well so that you may have marks at your paper that will guide you and make it easier for you to craft it. Here is the diamond. Now turn, fold from the bottom. Again, fold it. Turn back. Now we are doing the wing things. Basically, we are making the wings of our fighter jet. Be careful with this step. You may reverse the video to see it again. Repeat this step. Press well. So far, so good. Turn it. Be careful with these steps. Make sure that the edges are equal to each other so that it may have perfection. Okay, now bend the tip of the rough structure of the plane. Turn and press well. Now the tip of the plane has been made, fully aligned. Add some perfections and finishings to your jet plane so that it may look superb and fantastic. Repeat the same step on the other side. Now turn the wings upward and our plane is ready to fly far, far, and far away. Hope you learn it.